a special video on the occasion of 100th birth anniversary of our famous director, Satyajit Ray. Meet Bernstein at 611, also known as the Satyajit Ray Tram. Now let's have a look in the interiors of the tram. Here you go, in the first class. And here you go in the second class.
চারি করো ক্যামেরার সামনে এসো না।
This tram is still in service, and if you're lucky, then you can also have a ride on this tram. But just a little bit of problem. The stickers which were pasted outside the tram has been covered with a layer of Vimal advertisement. They just destroyed the whole beauty for the sake of few dollars. Shame on them. This is the current condition of Satyajit Ray Tram. But don't worry, the stickers are all present inside the tram. I hope you guys liked this video. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comment section. For more awesome content, stay tuned with me and thanks for watching.